Do you want to know how you can log into your VCH Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your VCH Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for VCH Payroll Login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official login portal of Vancouver Coastal Health. Go ahead and click on this link or the second link which comes to your screen. If you click on the first link, it will take you to your network account login, and if you click on the second link, it will take you to the Pay Stay Hub, which is for your employee account. So if you go ahead and click on the first link, you can see there is option of domain/username. You can write down your domain ID or your username in this first box, and go to the second box and write down your password over here. After you've written down your password, click on this button to check your password and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign into your Vancouver Coastal Health account or your VCH Payroll account. And you can see the staff hub over here. You can see that there are different types of sites over here for your login portal, so you can go ahead and check these out. Yes guys, that's it, how you can log into your VCH Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.